Good morning everyone. Today we will discuss about the topic patterns. What is patterns? First, it should be clear to us that what is the meaning of pattern. A pattern is the repeated or regular way in which something happens or is done. Pattern is a repeated or regular way in which something happens or is done. The meaning of this is that if something is happening, then it will continue in the sequence only, like one, then second, then third, then after a specific duration one will repeat, then second, then third. So this will be in continuity. Okay, that is the pattern. In mathematics, a pattern is repeated arrangement of numbers, shapes, colors, and so on. In this we have discussed about the term pattern only, but in this we are discussing that what is the meaning of pattern in the mathematics. So meaning of pattern in mathematics is a repeated arrangement of numbers, shapes, colors, and so on. There may be numbers, shapes, colors, figures, and any other things that are repeating in a specific way, in a repeated arrangement. Okay. And third one is pattern is also called sequence. Pattern is also called sequence. The other name of pattern is sequence. If I am asking you about the sequence, then indirectly that means that I am asking you about the pattern. Okay. So pattern and sequence both are the same. Both are the terms having same meaning. For an example, I am giving you an example here. This is a skirt. Okay. In this skirt you can see the design of the skirt. In this skirt you can see the design of the skirt. In this design, as all of you can observe that one block up, one block down, one block up, one block down. So it is in a continuous way, the blocks are repeating itself, like one block up, then down, then again up block repeating, then down block. So this is in a continuous way, that is repeated arrangement. So that is called pattern. Pattern means repeated arrangement of numbers, colors, shapes, figures, and so on. That is pattern. Okay everyone. Like I have written there also, in the shown skirt we can see a design, that is pattern, one block up and one block down, and that is repeated. It is continuously being repeated. Pattern, the meaning of pattern is clear to everyone now. The next slide is observe the following patterns and recognize them and proceed further. Observe the following patterns. First you have to concentrate that what logic we are applying there. It is not compulsory that you are having one or two logics only. Okay. More the questions you will do, more the logics you will get. Because in each and every question we are not having the same logics. We have to recognize and then we have to find out the logic of them. So observe, first we have to observe, then we have to recognize them, that at what basis or what rule we are applying there, and then we have to proceed further. If you know the rule, if you know the logic, then you can continue that series. It is also called series. Pattern means in a continuous way, and this is called series. Okay everyone. Now first one is 3, 8. Is this visible everyone? Hope. First term is 3, then second term 8, then 11, and the next two terms you have to write down. Okay, so first term is 3, then second term is 8, and then third term is 11. So you have to find out the next terms. Like सबसे पहले first we have to concentrate on the difference between the numbers. So 3 and 8. Difference between 3 and 8 is 5. This means 3 plus 5, 8. 3 plus 5, 8. Now 8 and 11. Difference between 8 and 11 is 3. Difference between 8 and 11 is 3. So 3 plus 5 equals to 8. 8 plus 3 equals to 11. Okay, and now for the difference of 5, then difference of 3, we have skipped 4, so now we will skip 2. So in the next number we will write down the difference of 1 plus 1. So 11 plus 1 will become 12. And what about next term? It will no next term will be there. Okay, that is given for the confusion only, so that you can think that 2 blocks we are having, but we are having one number. So it is not necessary that if it is given to you, then any number will come, because only the series will applicable only up to only here. Okay, like if I was having plus 5 plus 7 plus 9, then it will continue up to no end will be there. Okay, first one. Now second one is, all of you can see arrows. I think that are not visible to you, so I am drawing that again. First, second. These 2 arrows are given. The first one is going upward, second one is going in right direction, or second one is going in right side. So you have to tell these 2. How it will be done? First one is going upward like this. I am telling you it where, here only I am telling. First it is going upwards, then in right hand side, then it will go downwards. Okay, in clockwise, all of you know na, clockwise, like 12, 1, 2, so that is clockwise. So it will move in clockwise direction like this. So upwards we have seen, now in right hand side we have seen, now it will come downwards, and then after this it will move in this direction, so it will become left hand side, it will come in left hand side. Okay, that is done. If I am having one more blank or one more block to find out it, so what we can do, it is repeated in a continuous way, like first in clockwise direction, these up to the these we have done. Now next one will become this. So it is repeating itself now. Already we are having it there, and after a particular time period or after a particular step we will get that only. Okay everyone. Now third one is 12, 22, 32, and then next 2 blocks you have to find out. So what I have said to you, first you just concentrate on the difference. So difference between 12 and 22, like 12 plus 10, 22, 22 plus 10, 32. So next term, how we are getting the next term? By adding 10 to the previous term. Like in first term I have added 10, thereafter I have got second term, 12 plus 10, 22. In second term I have added 10, then I have got 32. So 12 plus 10, 22, 22 plus 10, 32. So the same logic we will apply in the further steps. So obviously if I am adding 10 to these, so in the next 2 steps also we will add 10. 32 plus 10, 42, and 42 plus 10, 52. These that are the further steps in this. Okay, hope this is clear to everyone. Okay, now third one is some illustrations of patterns. Patterns, I have explained you the meaning of patterns. I have given you some of the examples, so much easy examples I have told you. Okay, hold on, in second slide we have skipped one thing, this. In this also you have to use your own logic. Okay, like in this you have to find out the missing number that are in the middle of the every number. You have to find out that missing number. First you just create the link, and what is the connection between the numbers, or what is the relation between the numbers. So as I can see, hope all of you can see, all of you can determine this, like 20 is written in the middle of 4 and 5. So we can think this, okay, it is not necessary that we are always right, but if the same logic we are having in all the 3 or 4 conditions, then we are right. So how we can get 20? By multiplying 4 and 5. 4 multiply 5. Okay, 4 multiply 5 equals to 20. 4 multiply 3 equals to 12. 4 multiply 3 equals to 12. Okay, 4 and 3 done, 4 and 5 done. Now 5 multiply 5, 25. So we can come to the conclusion that we will get the term, we will get this term by multiplying the numbers that are written along with the number, like 4 and 3 12, 4 and 5 20, 5 and 5 25. So what will come there? 3 and 5. 3 multiplied by 5. What will come there? 3 5s are 15. So according to our logics, we can conclude that 15 will be written there. I am highlighting it. 15 will be written there. And how 15 came? 3 multiply 5. 3 is written there only and 5 is written there. Hope this is clear to everyone. It was not related to the chapter, but that is for the example, for the explanation purpose only, so that you can get that so many connections are there, so many ways are there, so that we can find out the next term. Now third one is some illustrations of patterns. Like first one, in first one, 1 multiply 1 equals to 1. Then in next step, what is given? 11 multiply 11 equals to 121. So one thing all of you can conclude that what is there? In first step we have multiplied 1 by 1. In second step we have written 2 1, then multiplied that by 2 1. Like in first step we are having 1. In second step we are having 11. So in third step we will have 3 1. So we will have 111. One multiplied by 1 1 1. And in the fourth step, like in first step 1 1 we were having, in second step 2 1 we were having, in third step 3 1 I have written, and in the fourth step 4 1 we will write. Okay everyone, in the fourth step we will write 111. How we have written this? Because we have seen that in the first step we are having 1 1, in the second step we are having 2 1, and in the third step we are having 3 1. So 111 multiplied by 111, then we will get 12,321. 12,321. Okay, now 1111 multiplied by 1111, then we will get 12,34,321 we will get. Okay everyone, now in the next step, in the second question, it is given 125, 115, 105, and the next of the two blocks we have to fill. So in the first step, what I have seen, just concentrate on the difference first. Difference between 125 and 115. Difference between 125 and 115 is of 10. Like I have subtracted 10 from 125, then I have got 115. Now 115, if I am subtracting 10 from 115 also, then I will get 105. This means same logic we are operating in all the questions, in all the terms. In the second question, all the terms we are having the difference of 10. So 105 minus 10, it will become 95. And now same procedure will be done here also. We have to subtract 10 from 95, then we will get 85. Now third one is 3, 4, 6, 9, 13. Okay, 13. So now different logic is there. Just concentrate on the question only. 3, 4, 6, 9 and 13. What I have told you, first just check down the difference. The difference between 3 and 4 is 1. Like in 3 I have added 1, then I have got 4. In 4 I have added 2, then I have got 6. In 6 I have added 3, then I have got 9. And in 9 I have added 4, then I have got 13. So in first I have added 1, then 2, then 3, then 4. So in the next step I will add 5, and then in the next step I will add 6. 13 plus 5, 18, and 18 plus 6, 24. This we have got. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 3 parts we have done. Now the last 2 parts we are having. Fourth one is fourth one is 9 plus 9 equals to 18, 19 plus 19 equals to 38, 29 plus 29 equals to 58. So with what we can conclude that what is done, first we have added 9 and 9, then 19 and 19, and then 23 and 19. We have added this. So 9 plus 9, 18, 19, 19, 38, 29, 29, 58. First 19, then first 9, then 19, first 9, then 19, and then 29. 9, 19, 29. So the next term will be 39. 39 plus 39. Okay. 39 and 39 will become 78. This logic we are using in this. Okay. And the last one is I'm just writing it here on. Suppose you are having Z. Okay. X V Z X V you are having. Okay. So first you have to just observe that what is given. So first thing is that is reverse alphabet, like Z, X, V. But now you will see that we are not writing the alphabets in the continuity. So what you will do, just note down the difference. Like Z, what comes before Z? Y. We have skipped Y, then we came to X. V, W, X. We have skipped W, means we are just skipping the one alphabet, one letter, and then we are moving on to the next one. Okay. So V, W, X, Y, Z. Now what comes before V? U comes, skip U. After skipping U, T comes, then skip S, then R comes. So now you can check R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay. R, then skip S. This is not need not to be returned, that I have returned for the explanation purpose only. R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. That is done. And in this, just look at this, you have to complete the pattern. In this, first it is like this, then like this, then like this. First in this direction, Like first it is like this, then it became like this, then it became like this, and now it will become like this. So that is right. D1 part is right. And in this one picture, complete the above pattern. In first one, look, one thing is same in each and every question, in each and every block. One circle, then this partition. In this we are having it in right hand direction, then upwards, then left. Now it will come downwards like this. Okay, so C1 is right. Hope this is clear to everyone, to all of you. That is like the activity only. Activity. Let's play a game. All of us have done this in our childhood. You are children. You are not big. So hope you all are connecting to this. Okay. Let's play a game. The game is, think of a number. Just think of a number in your mind. Don't tell it to anyone. Like if I am talking to if I am asking from any one of you, then what I will say, just think of a number in your mind. All the calculation will be done in your mind and you will not tell me the number. Okay. So think of a number. I have done. Now whatever the number I have taken, just add 5 to that. Add 5. Then multiply that by 2. Subtract 10 from it. Now divide it by 2. Suppose I have selected or I have taken the number 10. I have taken the number 10. What will be done? Think of a number 10. Add 5 to it. 10 plus 5, 15. Multiply by 2. 15 multiply 2, 30. I am writing it here on. Think of a number I have told you 10. Add 5 to it. So plus 5 करना in what? 10 में. So 10 plus 5 equals to 15. Now multiply by 2. Whatever we have got, just multiply that by 2. So 15 multiply by 2 equals to 30. Okay. 15. So we have multiplied by 2. We got 30. Now subtract 10 from it. Whatever you have got, I have got 30. Subtract 10 from it. So 30 plus 10, 20. Now divide it by 2. I have got 20. And divide 20 by 2, we will get 10. That is the final answer. Is this the same number you thought of? Whatever the result came, is this the same number, whatever the number you thought of? Yes, 10. Is this the same number you thought of? Yes. Okay. Again I am telling you one more example we will take in the next slide. These numbers are determined. Okay. हम अपने according we cannot add, we cannot subtract any of the number. No. You have to just learn these simple steps. Thereafter you can do calculation of any number regarding this. First think of a number, then add 5 to it, then add 5 to it, and then multiply that by 12, subtract 10 from it, and then divide it by 2. Thereafter we will get the number. Okay, and the number will be same. Nine equals to 90, 8 equals to 72, 7 equals to 56, and 6 equals to 42. Then 3 will be equals to what? This you have to tell. First look at one thing. The numbers are in continuity. Reverse counting. It is 9, 8, 7, 6, 3. Matlab we have skipped 5 and 4 and then 3. Okay, now how we can get 90 by 9? By multiplying it to 10. Like 9 times are 90. How we can get 72 by 8? Multiply it by 9. Again reverse counting we are taking. 9 times are 90. 8 9s are 72. Then 7 by what we should multiply 7 to get 56? 7 8s are 56. So I can see one thing, that the counting is in a reversible order. Then 6 7s are 42. Okay, if you are thinking that in this we have multiplied by 10, then by 9, then by 8, then by 7, so this is multiplied by 6. No, this will not be done. Why this will not be done? Because two numbers we have skipped 5 and 4. So 10, 9, 8, 7, then 6, then by 5. Now we came to 3 and it will be multiplied by 4. So 3 4s are 12. 12 will come there. Okay, 12 will come there if 2 is written there. If we are having 2, so 3 ko we have multiplied by 4, 2 ko we will multiply by 3, then we will get 6. That is the logic we have used, that is the trick we have used in the question. Okay, now we are taking example of this only, of this game only. We are taking the example. Just remind of the rules only. First think of the number, then add 10 to it, then add 5 to it, multiply it by 2, subtract 10 and divide by 2. Think of a number, add 5 to it, multiply it by 2, subtract 10 from the number and now divide it by 2. Now in this example we came, let's think, let this number be 8. I have given the example of 10, let the number is 8, add 5 to it, 8 plus 5 13, multiply by 2 13 multiply by 2 26. Now subtract 10 from the number, 26 minus 10 equals to 16, divided by 2, 16 divided by 2 8, and 8 is a number we thought of. We have thought of 8 only, and in the last we are getting 8 only, and we are right. This is mental maths. How mental maths? Because this is to be done in the head only, no need of copy pen, this is to be done in your mind only. Okay, again I am telling you one more example I am giving you. Let the number be 20. If 20 is a number, then add 5 to it, it will become 25. Multiply it by 2, 25 multiply 2, 50. Subtract 10 from it, 50 minus 10, 40. Divided by 2, 40 divided by 2, 20. 2 20s are 40. And 20 is a number we thought of. We have thought of 20 only, and the last also we have got 20. That is the trick used in this question, in this example. Hope this is clear to everyone. Class is over for today. Thank you everyone.